Hello everyone, this video is not as exciting, but KONE Eco Disc doors opening elevator button. This is the first video I shall make with my name reverted back to Scott's Lift. Scott's Lift was perfect and I don't know why I wanted to change it. So I'm changing it back. And this is a KONE Eco Disc doors opening elevator button. This is the Eco Disc model of elevator. You've got braille down there, nice glistening KONE Eco Disc one you usually have. And you actually have some circuitry in the back. Cables going there. The other cable actually goes in there. This is an exact replica of a doors opening board, almost as if they've actually took the type out out of a real KONE lift. It's actually KONE. Doors open, got the arrows pointing out. The doors closed, the arrows pointing in. Sorry, that's the wrong way round. Sorry, this is the way it's supposed to look. Got your nice glistening going on the one that you usually have. Really nice. KONE elevator buttons. And remember my Schindler buttons. Definitely, you can tell the size difference. Look, you've got right now. Which one do you like more? Schindler M series door opening. KONE Eco Disc door opening. I like this one more through looks, this one more through sounds. Oh, this one's better to look at. So you can look at this one, and you can push this one. Bye. Full